Okay, I think this is going to be the last video for the study guide. I'm going to do both 4 and 5 on the same video. They're both similar. They're kind of doing opposites of each other. Number 4 on the back says to expand into multiple logarithms and to express powers as coefficients. Starts with log base 12 of a fraction bar, 17 times root x times y raised to the 4th, and then in the bottom I've got a z. So first thing I'm going to do is separate all of the times the multiplication and the division. I have 3 terms. I'll do on the top, I have a term, the 17. I've got this guy, the square root of x, and I've got this guy in the top, and then I've got this guy in the bottom. So, as I spread it out, I get log base 12 of 17 plus log base 12 root x plus log base 12 y to the 4th. Last piece, this z, it's in the bottom, so it gets a minus, so we get log base 12 of z. So from there, I need to plug everything, make one little note. Only complicated, quote-unquote complicated plug is this one. That's the same as x to the 1/2 power. You should understand why that's true. But this gives me log base 12 of 17 plus 1/2 log base 12 of x plus 4 log base 12 of y minus log base 12 of z. That's it. Hold, stop for a moment so you can look at it. Okay. Squiggle, squiggle, squiggle. Squiggle, squiggle. Ooh! Wait a second. What if I go like this? Squiggle. You got one more. Squiggle. La 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 la. Okay, sorry. Number 5. It's doing the opposite. You start with 4 log base 3 of q minus 2/3 log base 3 of r plus 1/2 log base 3 of f minus 6 log 3 of p. Don't ask me why I chose those letters. Okay, I'm going to do this all in one step. I'm just going to explain it. First off, everything's log base 3. So I'm going to write log base 3. Now I'm going to draw my fraction bar. And now I get a fraction bar because here and here there are some, that's here and here, there's negatives, so they go on the bottom. The positive ones go on the top. So here I will do bottom in green, top in pink, and pink. So, here, my back to red. I'm going to have a Q in the top. It's going to be the power of 4. And I'm going to have an F in the top. It's going to be to a 1/2 power, which corresponds with square root. In the bottom, I'm going to have an R. It's raised to the 2/3. And then I'm going to have a P. It's raised to the 6th. There's another kind of variation of this answer that I would take. This right here is the same as R squared, jacked that up, R squared cubed rooted, or you could write it as cubed root R with the squared on the outside. So I would take either that or that as a replacement for that.